So I'll be willing to bet that most people that think they understand the constitutional law have never even reviewed the cardinal rules of interpretation, or the last antecedent rule, or let's see, the penumbra doctrine, or heck, I don't know. Let's discuss the heightened pleading requirements under Rule 9A and B of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. Yeah, the heightened pleading standards that are imposed on non-lawyers when you go to court, try to get your rights in a federal court setting. Ladies and gentlemen, the Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals, where this Connie, however you say her name, Barrett, has been an appellate judge for years, she is 100% steeped in bar association, witchcraft, and black magic. She's a lawyer. She's a bar card. And they do everything they can in the Seventh Circuit to make certain that pro se litigants don't get anywhere. In other words, you file a case in the Seventh Circuit as a pro se litigant, and you are just flat wasting your time. And Miss Barrett, the big la-di-da Bar Association attorney, is one of the biggest proponents of the heightened pleading standards under Rule 9A and B, which probably 99.99% of the American public have never taken the time to even read. They don't even understand the last antecedent rule. They don't understand the penumbra doctrine. They don't understand the heightened pleading standards. But oh God, she's female and she's a Catholic, and oh, she's the perfect conservative choice to fill the position on the Supreme Court. What a bunch of absolute moronic twits. That's what most of the American people are. They're twits. They don't understand the procedural aspects of a court case in a federal court setting, but they just got this idea that, oh, Donald Trump picked her, so she's got to be a perfect conservative choice for the U.S. Supreme Court. Now, when the Supreme Court was created, there was about 4 million new Americans in 1780. 1790s. It got up around 5 million. They had 9 Supreme Court justices in the 1780s and 90s. Today we got over 25 million, and we still got 9 justices. They throw away 99% of the cases that get filed in the Supreme Court. They throw them away. 9 justices cannot hear the 7,000 to 8,000 cases that are filed every year, so they just throw them in a wastebasket. Now, this is what Judge Barrett stands for. This is the supreme con job of the Supreme Bar Association, Supreme Swindle. The U.S. Supreme Court is nothing but it's a fraud. It's pathetic. You have 9 justices dictating, well, actually you got 5. You got 5 justices dictating to 325 million people what their freedom looks like, what they get. And by the time you get to the U.S. Supreme Court, you have spent a bundle and a lot of time and a lot of effort. And 99% of those cases just get thrown in a wastebasket. Now, this is the supreme con job. Ladies and gentlemen, the links and the information are below. And there's a lot more to this. It's not just that she's Catholic and that she's got a VJ and that she's a friend of Don Trump's that makes her qualified for the court. And this American Center for Law and Justice, this Jay Sekulow boob, he needs to shut up. Him and his big fat, oh boy, I tell you, him and his big fat mouth. Old Jay Sekulow, he just thinks he is the epitome of the judgment of character for a Supreme Court justice. Why don't you explain the heightened pleading rules to everybody, Jay? And then, of course, lay it out for everybody how pro se litigants get treated like manure because they don't have bar cards. Come on, Jay Sekulow, you're a big bar card holding lawyer. Let's talk about that form of discrimination and injustice. Boy, America, I'll tell you what. I'm going to leave it right there. I could go on for months, but I'll leave it right there. Look for the links and the information below. Hasta la vista. God bless, and you betcha, we're coming back.